Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the topic, that is the fingerprint, latent fingerprint segmentation and the recognition, right? So the technique that we have implemented in this is basically a hybrid model and CNN based, conventional neural network based. Not only the CNN is used, even along with that a number of algorithms, because this is basically of the PhD level work. So we have done it with the optimization algorithm, with the Kruskal classifier and the CNN. There are a number of things in this. So I'm going to demonstrate you the thing that what we have implemented. Basically the latent fingerprint recognition is a system which is used for the forensic recognition systems. As you can see, most of the crime scenes, there are the fingerprints over there and some things are overlapped with it. From that, firstly the fingerprint is to be extract, it is to be classify, or you can say the fingerprint region is to be extract. Then the reconstruction of that fingerprint is to be done, so that it can be matched with the database that who is the person who has done this particular section, right? So this is one of the major application that is used right now. So the artificial intelligence is behaving a important role in it. So in the same chain what we have implemented, let me show you. I'm going to show in a graphical user interface form. The very first thing is that dataset loading. So the dataset loading is basically, we have saved a number of samples for the CNN training, and once it is trained, it will classify the things. So I'm not going you to demonstrate the classification results because it is taking too much time, because the dataset is very heavy, but I'm going to show you few of the samples that how it process. So as you can see, there are two models, one is with the Kruskal and second with the proposed. In both the CNN is being used. CNN is a machine learning, a deep learning algorithm under the artificial intelligence. CNN means conventional neural network. So firstly, I am showing you the classification section. This is the dataset. For example, I am having the number of the users. From the 8th user, I am selecting one of the fingerprint that is to be rectify, is to be processed, and then the classification is to be done. When I am going to perform the matching purpose, it will at and give me that of what user, of which user this fingerprint is, but there are number of steps for that particular process. So when I'm going to click on this, you can see it will start processing. You need to have a look at the command screen also. Along with that, you can see these are the pores that is extracted. Number of figures will be displayed. I will show you once it will be done. So you can see the process. So attend the minutes. The very first thing was the original fingerprint, then it's enhanced with the 6 by 6 block size, with the 12 by 12, 24 by 24. Then the ridge segmentation is being done, the ridge orientation is being performed, the final ridge orientation is being done, then the final ridge filtered image is there. The minute points are being extracted and are plotted on the binary model, right? Then as you can see, currently it is processing, so it will take too much time because the data set I have taken is very much bigger. So at end it will tell us that of which user this particular section is. So this is basically the classification section. One of the section of it is the training of the CNN, how we have taken the images dataset, how we process that. The process for training and testing is almost same, only the thing is the result is not known in the testing purpose, but the steps as feature extraction, the points extraction, and the given the data to the classifier, that is bit different in the testing only. The phases are the same: original image, feature extraction, pre-processing can include number of things. Then in the training, the number of images information is given for the training. In the testing, the samples are being processed in a similar way as in training, but we are not aware about the output that is to be classified with the trained CNN system. So that what we have designed in this. It is a very high level modifications done in it, so it can be considered for the PhD work also. So for more details you can contact us directly, and even modifications are still possible in this, as the CNN being used. So there are number of things, the deep learning, RNN networks, there are number of networks option availability is also there. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys have liked this video. Thank you.